Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is a beautiful day outside. We're missing the chat, but we're going to pull it up here in 2 seconds. 3, 2. Ooh. Well, it was 2 seconds. I didn't even get to 1. We got Ryan the Rapper first in the chat. Frank second in the chat. We got Ryan the Rapper. Moji. Frank, man, what's going on? Ryan the Rapper. Chris, how you doing? You're freaking late. Causing me to be late. Everybody's late. Chris, that's my bad. Ryan the Rapper. Glad to have all you guys in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We have got AEMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.73. It is down 1.67%. Trying to make its way back off of these lows at 460. Oh no, what was the intraday low? 466 intraday low. Sitting at 472 right now. Trying to make its way back up. You got GameStop sitting at 24.85, down 3% of the day today. Also, hopefully bouncing off some lows and moving higher. We need some green, guys. We need some green. It's been nothing but dead red for a very long time. Shiba Inu Coin on the bottom right-hand side of the screen sitting at 17.60, down 2% of the day today. And if you look at the daily there, man, you can see it's just been nothing but devastation since May 29th. May 28th was actually a good day. May 29th, man, nothing but heavy losses straight down off a cliff since May 29th. Literally zero signs of recovery, and Shiba Inu Coin getting blasted. Bitcoin doing the same thing down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Bitcoin sitting at $63,600 right now. But if you look at the daily chart there, it has been nothing but losses since June 6th, and really no gains since May 20th. So you had a nice little rally to bring us back up to a previous peak a couple weeks ago, June 1st, beginning of the month here, but really not a gain because it wasn't able to break up from where it was prior. Sitting here doing nothing but moving down, moving lower for the last 3 weeks. Currently sitting at 63,649. People desperately seeking a gain in Bitcoin right here. The overall market is doing pretty well today, 0.30% higher on the day. Dogecoin sitting at 12.28 cents. Shiba Inu Coin 17.63. Ethereum 34.85. Ethereum kind of the same deal, moving lower over the last few weeks here. Really, its last gain happening on May 26th, my birthday. So Ethereum moving lower and testing support levels as opposed to testing resistance levels. You got Bitcoin sitting at 63,633. The SPY sitting at 545. QQQ 482. Mulinado 270. Sundial sitting at $1.84. Netflix 682. MPW 480. Tesla $182. $188 on Amazon and $211 on Apple. We're going to watch Bitcoin, we're going to watch Shiba Inu Coin play out on the middle left-hand side and the middle right-hand side of the screen there. Hopefully play out to the upside the rest of the day because my, oh my, we need gains, man. Johnny K, sup, Clay? What's up, Johnny K? Glad to have you in here, man. Frank says 10% monthly target on options with just 1 week to go. I'm at 9.992 for June. Well, Frank, I think it's safe to say that you are going to make it in June here. 9.992, and he's got a week to go. I think he's going to clear that 10% threshold right there beautifully, Frank. Thoughts on Dog Go to the Moon? Hey, Ray, man, I think right now my thoughts on all of these little tokens are they are getting very, very little attention, okay? The tiny little tokens like that soar beautifully when people are greedy. They soar beautifully when risk appetite is at its highest. But as you can see here, if you come over to CoinMarketCap and you look at the Fear to Greed Index right now, Fear and Greed Index, it's at a neutral level of 52. Okay, this means people aren't necessarily selling off in a panic frenzy, but they certainly aren't willing to buy right now. So, Dog Go to the Moon, Dog Libre, you've got Moonbag, you've got Play Doge, you've got Pepe Unchained. There's a lot of pre-sales going on right now. BitDoge, Memarium, but a lot of these new tokens, they're not selling out at the rate that they were a month ago. And that's because the Fear to Greed Index was getting greedy about a month ago in this area. But right now, it is very, very neutral. So what I'm seeing, what I'm learning about all of these little tokens is that when people are unsure, they are really unsure. Which is kind of strange to me because I am so sure of the cryptocurrency market. And honestly, if you look at all of the news right now, with the presidential election. And even this right here, Gemini Crypto Exchange founders donate 30.94 Bitcoin worth $2 million to DT to put an end to the Biden war on cryptocurrency. There's a lot of very, very positive news out there that says the cryptocurrency industry is going to grow. But retail investors are very emotional, they're very fearful, and anytime the going gets tough, well, dude, they're not tough. So they just they pack up their bags and leave for a little while, which is what we're seeing right now. So dog go to the moon, all of these other little tiny tokens that are out there, new tokens, pre-sale tokens, I think that they will be doing much, much better when confidence begins to return. It's just, dude, I guess I'm naturally a little bit more confident. But people are so weak-minded that as soon as the onset of a bear market or I guess bearish or downturn or correction takes place, everybody panics and they run so fast. Let's see. Good morning, Slack. Good morning, Moji. Been pruning in the sun all week. While pruning, had to prep the boss's house for a wedding yesterday. Freaking beat. Got an early weekend. Glad to make it. Very good, Chris. Dude, it has been, I'm sure it's been just as hot for you. It has been absolutely scorching this week. So the fact that you've been outside working all week is kind of crazy, man. Hopefully you're staying hydrated because it is very, very hot out right now. Confession, not confusion. Maybe confused. Confession, I sold my sloth and went all in on BIAO. Can you check the chart? Let me know what you think. Johnny K, absolutely, man. BIAO was his name. Oh, BIAO, BIAO, BIAO. This one on Solana or this one on Ethereum? Probably Solana, dude. If you were, I'm gonna pull up Solana. Most likely Solana if you sold your sloth going into BIAO, BIAO. Here's the thing, man. With coins like this, this massive rally that we saw here, and then all of these gains given back up already. 4,000 holders, very small amount of holders, $1.08 million market cap. Is this the one? On Ethereum, okay. BIAO, BIAO. The one that's 12 days old? Dude, if it's one that's 12 days old, man, I like this graph so far. Market's been getting brutalized over the last couple of days, but not this one. Not this one. Let me see if this is the one we're going with. And then we can talk about it. Have a weekend off in the United Kingdom. Chris Gunn, you as well, man. Present. Pudgy is here. What do you think about Sloth right now? Pampy, man. I think Sloth, like all of these other ones, Dogeverse, Sloth, Play Doge, all of these little tokens are waiting for confidence to return. The littler tokens have newer holders. And the newer holders, they tend to be very nervous. And in general, right? Not everybody that's in them. They tend to be very nervous. And at the first sign of a downturn, or the first sign of a pullback, they completely break themselves. So the smaller tokens like Slothana, even the big ones, you can see Shiba Inu Coin, man, going from 2,800 points per coin last month down to 1,700 points per coin today. Even the big ones are having a very, very tough go of it during this market pullback that we are seeing. And I don't like it any more than you guys do. In fact, I'd probably like it less than you guys do because it leads to less views, less gains, less everything. So it does hit me very hard when the markets pull back the way that they do. 1, 2, 3 days of a pullback. Okay, I get it. A lot of people can hold through that. They bear with it. But when it's been a straight month of literally nothing but red candles on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu Coin, Dogecoin, all of the little tokens that are coming out, when it's been a straight month of declines, it hits people very, very hard, and they get so discouraged that it's hard to not bounce back, but it's hard to want to buy. So people do tend to wait a little bit longer to buy there. Let's see. Now I'm getting pudgy. Dark bro, you never getting pudgied, man. Nobody ever gets pudgied except for Pudgy. Morning, Gems. What's going on, Panda? Gems or Gents? J-Bones! What's going on, J-Bones? Glad to have you in the chat as well, man. Like the show, all. Please listen to Chris Gunn and click that like button. Wow, Webster Dictionary, new term, pudgied. It is a verb, man. It is a verb. It might actually be in there already. Did my DD and BAIO. I got it's going to be the next $1 billion market cap. It's the biggest biggest meme in the Asian market. Dude, very well could be, man. They got... This would be a pretty nice Asian meme here. I mean, you can see they get the panda. It's got some weird face on it. Could be pretty funny there. And it has already done very, very nicely to 3.5x just over the last couple of days here. Last 10 days, 3.5x gains. It's very hard to take it from the launch price, man, because basically the team just gets in on launch price. So second day forward, dude, you're seeing nice 6-7x gains from the second day forward there. But the fact that it is bouncing back nicely today, $4.5 million in volume, tiny little 4,000 holders, already $1.38 million in the liquidity pool, which is a decent sized liquidity pool there. What we need to see though for fantastic growth in this meme coin or any of the other meme coins, confidence in the market. I am telling you, man. I don't typically use this fear to greed index too well, or too much, I should say, not too well, but I don't typically use this too much. But I am seeing such a strong correlation right now with just overall sentiment dictating the market price that you need to pay attention to this. Why do I say that? All of the cryptocurrency news, it's bullish news, man. If you type in crypto news right now, the best that they can come up with, Winklevoss twins donating 30 Bitcoin. That's the highest news. And then Kraken, you had some, I don't know, white glove, white hat, I don't know what they call them, some hackers from, I think, Certic, right? Exploiting a bug in Kraken for $3 million. And Kraken kind of complaining and being dumb and saying, well, they stole our $3 million. That's what hackers do, man. That's what hackers do. Certic, I believe, is going to give it back. I don't think they necessarily have to. But I believe they're going to give it back. And that's the second biggest news, man, is that an auditing firm revealed a $3 million bug. And Kraken fixed it. So the exchange is even more secure now. So security on exchanges, presidential candidates embracing cryptocurrency like never before, institutional ETFs being approved left and right. There's no bearish news on the horizon, which leads me to believe that the entire market sentiment is being dictated simply by market sentiment. And the fear to greed index right now being neutral, we need that to tick back up into the green, and it is going to be gain city for these little meme coins, man. Coming down. Hey, what's up, Trade Gang? What's going on, Mark Wade? How you doing, man? Good morning, JB. That's J Bones. Mosefsky. Good morning to you as well. When new moniker, JB, gotta be pretty close. Oh, JB. Yeah, JB has to be pretty close. The other JB you're talking about, the J Bones there. Yeah, he already has his. Thune, Moji. Thune. Crow with knives, coin to watch out for. Captain Crypto. Let's take a look at it, man. Whatever happened to never ignored? Well, never ignored never gets ignored, right? Pudgy's never ignored, man. Call. All right. 18% gain today. This is what I like to see, man. This is what I like to see. Crow with knife actually setting up a decent level of support right here. It does, however, have resistance right here. Tested it. Could be testing it again today or tomorrow. So a very, very tight channel between, I would say, 7 zeros and a 6, and 7 zeros and a 76 or 75. And if it breaks back up, you're you're going to be seeing a nice rally there. But it has been a pretty long, oh man, 2.5, about 2 full months here of sideways channeling in Crow with Knife. But you are right, man. Watch it. It is one to watch for. If it breaks up out of this level, if it breaks up out of this horizontal resistance, I mean, maybe extend it to the top of the wicks there if you want to. 7 zeros and an 8. But if it breaks out of this level between 7 zeros and a 6 and 7 zeros and an 8, yeah, dude, you could absolutely be on another run, touching potentially new all-time highs. So, Crow with Knife looking pretty good, actually, on the moment here. Panda in the chat. What's going on, Ken, bro? Haven't seen you in a while. That is good to hear on Kraken. I didn't have time to look into it. I was traveling since June 12th. Finally got home last night. Yeah, old rounder, man. Kraken had some sort of a bug. Ceratic revealed it. Ceratic stole $3 million, or exploited is the word they're using. $3 million from them. And something along the lines of Kraken was like mad they did that. Dude, that's kind of their job, though, right? And I think that Kraken was so mad because they just didn't want to be exposed for having such a hole in their code. But that's what these hackers do, man. They go out there, they reveal these bugs, and then they could steal the money, right, and keep the $3 million, but because they have morals themselves, they give the money back, and then just allow the exchange to fix it up, hopefully receive some sort of a bug bounty or some sort of a reward for revealing the I don't know, inadequacy in the code there. But yeah, Kraken, I believe the last headline I read was that Ceratic is giving that money back. It's just that Kraken didn't need to get so stinking upset about the fact that they exploited that bug, when that's exactly what they do. So I don't know, man. I guess Kraken's hard up for $3 million, right? Which sounds kind of funny, too, because $3 million is a ton of money. But when you're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars in exchange worth, or billion-dollar-plus companies, that bug bounty should have been $3 million anyway. Bug bounty should have been whatever the guy wanted to take for his bounty. Finally, what's going on, Blade? Glad to have you, man. Still holding Dogeverse. Very nice, Ken, bro. Dogeverse is down, along with the overall market, though, right? All of these little memes, dude, are getting brutalized right now. And the thing that kind of sucks for Dogeverse is that it launched right at the beginning of this. So Dogeverse launched at the beginning of June, and the market has been just getting ripped since the beginning of June. Shiba Inu Coin coming from 2,800 points per coin down to 17. Ethereum like $3,900 down to $3,300. Bitcoin from 70,000 down to 63,000. So, I know it's a smaller percentage move in Bitcoin, but all of the little meme coins, all of these brand new tokens are getting hit much, much harder than they should. A couple days ago, if you would have looked at Solana meme coins, dude, are down 50, 60, 70% from where they were just a couple of days ago. Solana itself down about 10 to 15%. So Solana did take a very large hit. But dude, all of the meme coins took a very large hit. Which just means, man, if they do not die and the market starts to rebound just a little bit and people get confident once again, those meme coins are really going to make a lot of people a lot of money. So I have bought into some of those Solana meme coins, and I do hope that they move up nicely. When are you selling that classic Kia and getting a new one? Moji, well, now that I have a new starter, now that I have a new battery, now that it's basically a brand new car again, why would I ever sell that classic, man? You got to keep the classics and keep them alive, man. Dabcat barely moving. Hopefully they make their second they'll make their second soft cap, dude. Their second soft cap was only 8 Ethereum. Even something like PlayDoge, right? PlayDoge in the last 24 hours has done about $100,000 in sales. Do I have PlayDoge open on this tab? No. Dude, Playdosh in the last 24 hours has done about $100,000 in sales, and it has a lot of marketing behind it. But that's, to me, that's still excellent, because if you look at the rest of the cryptocurrency market, with the exception of just a few tokens, everything has outflows. So Crow with Knife is looking very good right now because, of course, it's got $771,000 in inflows, just about $600,000 in outflows, nice $170,000 worth of net inflows there, and a very nice 20% gain on a $50 million coin. I believe that's incredible. But once you start to come out, and we're on Solana here, once you start to look at some of these trending coins, dude, what do you got here? Low volume, but an additional $15,000 in outflows here. This one, tiny little meme coin, 13 million, $100,000 in outflows in this one. This one's going to have inflows. Billy. Let's see what Billy is doing. $100,000 in inflows. So, dude, even these tokens that are doing $30 million in volume only have about $100,000 in inflows right now. So, yeah, dude, I think we're doing good, but Dabcat is definitely going to be slowing down as the overall market sentiment kind of is sitting here. Well, once people get greedy again, I'm telling you, dude, they're going to buy like they have not been buying before. Whatever happened to Crash Boys? Dude, I 100% think they crash. I still hold all my Crash Boys, right? A part of me thinks that, well, maybe one day they'll make a comeback. But, dude, that Telegram account that all those influencers were in, it's not even active anymore. So I believe that token has been completely abandoned, and it's just, that's a luck one now. I mean, if it goes back up, it's gonna be by chance or I guess luck, 100% luck if it does, because I don't think anybody is even doing any marketing or really trying to get Crash Boys to do anything. Just stop by to show some love your way. Much love, Clay Bro. Bulldog Trading, appreciate you, man. Guys, Bulldog Trading also has an awesome YouTube channel as well. Please make sure to follow him. And thank you very much for jumping in here. Looks wrong. Yeah, Panda. It probably is, man. It probably is. Nobody even in that Telegram group they don't even send messages anymore. The most Bitcoin can get above 68,500 for the weekly close on Sunday. I'd say it looks like Bitcoin double topped. Oh, dude, you could be you could be right there. So let's, man, dude, it was trying. The bearish pressure right now is just too much. It's just too much. Look at SHIB, SHIB was just trying over the last half hour or so to make a little comeback, and then it's all wiped out in 1 minute. Same deal with Bitcoin. Bitcoin trying to make a comeback over the last half hour, and then 1 minute, bringing it back down, dude, essentially from 63.7 to 63.6. Very, very difficult minute here, and this entire gain can be wiped out in the next 5 minutes. So bears are definitely in charge right now. You look at the hourly, Bitcoin has done nothing but come down from 66.7 or 66.4 down to 63.6. With literally, I mean, dude, I don't even consider this a green line because it was immediately erased, right? So the last little bit of hope or rally that Bitcoin had was yesterday, a couple days ago, when it was able to go from 64.9 up to 66.4. But, dude, you're talking about a $3,000, 5% decline here in the last 24 hours with nothing but losses to be accounted for. So, yeah, dude, Bitcoin at 68.5. I don't know if Bitcoin needs to get all the way back up above 68.5. I like the ascending trend line here as a little level of hope. But, yeah, dude, if it's going to take a couple days to do it, maybe 65.5, 66,000, get you back up above this trend line right here, which could lead to some safety. But, dude, I mean, look at it. Bitcoin throwing nothing but red lines on the screen. For the last several weeks, there's been zero gains whatsoever, despite all of the good news here. It's been nothing but losses, and I mean, I don't know why. I think it's just traders being emotional, right? Panda, thank you very much for the I don't have a box. Oh, I do have a box right here. We've got a brand new box of Oakleys, ladies and gentlemen. If we pull these Oakleys out, oh, it's just instructions. Thank you very much for the unboxing. Appreciate you on that one, Panda. Literally the only box. No, I do have another box here. I had a little wallet. I had one of those little wallets. Come in a box right there. So technically, I could have had two unboxings take place. But Panda, man, thank you very much. Pudgy. Peace to the diamond hands, baby. Peace to the diamond hand. Pudgy, you still in here? Or you leaving, man? Let's see. With Ethereum soon to have an ETF, would it be a smart idea to start looking at smart layer network tokens, which is extremely low circulation supply and total supply? So, Giovanni, my thought is yes. If you are looking at any of these tokens that are being approved for ETFs, same as Bitcoin, right? The speculation was where the major gains were, but even afterwards, there were billions of dollars inflowing into Bitcoin. It's a double-edged sword because now institutions do have even more control over the price of Bitcoin, with a ton of institutional money inflowing, and then when they want to outflow, they take it out, and then Bitcoin can just go down for 14, 15 days like it is right now. They can squeeze a bunch of people out, and then they can start buying again. Retail gets very nervous. Retail starts to buy back after the price moves back up 10%, and these institutions just pad their gains that way by feeding off the emotion of retail investors. But yes. Okay, so if you're willing to hold something longer term, or if you're willing to place your bets on institutional inflow, I would say you're on the right track there. Many don't know what's coming with Paul Chain and Honorarium. Won't they be surprised? Well, they probably will be surprised, man. If Honorarium goes multi-chain with Paul Chain, I think that they will be surprised, and I hope I am surprised as well, with some very nice gains in Paul Chain. To the subs. Boom, baby. Boom. Do it. We love the subscribers. Click the subscribe button, guys. Greeting, bros. Wow, lots of red on the market. Alien head intelligence. I am telling you, man. A lot of red in the market indeed. Timmy! You in here? Tim. Frank wants to know if you're in here. Help me make money now. I want money and I want it now. Kendall. Listen, I can't help you make some money right now, okay? Money is made during bear markets, right? We're not in a bear market. We are in a bull market. This is a dip. This is a correction. This is a pullback in a bull market. This is the time that you should be buying, right? Now, I can't tell you to buy. I wouldn't tell you to buy. It's your money. You do whatever you want with it. But when you see an overall bull market, and you see nothing but bullish catalyst after bullish catalyst on the horizon, when you see nothing but good news out there, but the price is pulling back, it's an emotional, just technical driven pullback. The overall sentiment is still very bullish. And until that changes, my mind will say, buy the dip. So if you want to make some money, it might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, but when the market starts to rebound and when people get confident once again and these prices begin to tick back up, you're going to wish that you would have bought this dip. So just keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Buy the dip if you can stomach even a further decline. Now, Oakley's. Claire's rolling these days. Birthday present, man. Birthday present. Moji, but thank you for noticing. Unbox the PS3, JB. PS3. I don't know. It is a PlayStation 3, right? Yeah, it's PlayStation 3, man. Call of Duty Black Ops. That wasn't PS2. PS2 was a long time ago. PS3. Pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure that's in the bedroom, in a closet. Because is it too late to buy in 2025? I might get a promotion towards the end of the year. No. So, Ray, man. Look at the previous two bear to bull market cycles. okay? You can go back, like 2013 is kind of unfair to look at because it was really just Bitcoin. But if you look at the previous 2 bear to bull market cycles, 2017 and 2021, what you notice is a very, very nice, steady increase as those who remain in the game continue to stack, some institutional money begins to flow in, and the heavier whales begin to buy. What all of us are really looking for is that retail rush, that FOMO buying power, that, yes, Bitcoin's breaking through an all-time high, Ethereum's hitting an all-time high, Solana's hitting an all-time high, SHIB's hitting an all-time high. When all of the coins are hitting all-time highs and everything is euphoric. Dude, if everything's hitting an all-time high, I'm just telling you right now, I'm going to be selling, okay? You guys should know that. We've seen this so many times again. I might sell too early. I might sell way too early. But when everything is hitting an all-time high, and this fear to greed index right here is like redlining in the green, breaking full-on greed, it's time to sell, man. And it's time to sell because the previous 2 bear to bull market cycles show us that when retail jumps back in, and they jump back in way too heavy, and they're buying anything and everything, that's usually when you see a major pullback. And you want to be able to buy that pullback as opposed to, I guess, holding through that pullback and not taking advantage of your profit. So, no, 2025 will not be too late to buy because, of course, I don't think that the retail, I guess, exponential curve will have happened by then. We're in the nice bull market rally right now. But everybody's looking for that just euphoric retail explosion that sends everything to all-time highs and the greed index is peaking out. Market is bearish because the crib color is purple. Dang it, man. Well, I actually don't know where my controller is. I'm gonna have to find the controller. I could turn it green. Just ignore that one. Just look at this one. The crib is green. The crib is green. Let's go for green. Yeah, the crib colors actually do match the lines pretty well on Weeble there. What's up, crypto fan? What's up, Clay? Edwin, what's up, man? Let's see. Smart Layer Network is partnered with Polygon and Mark Cuban involved. To put $2,000 on Smart Layer Network can only go down for so long with its low supply. Nice. Giovanni. We should look up Smart Layer Network, see if we can pull it up here. Does it show up on... Alright, it might. It might. This one? 85 cents. That is a low supply, dude. 15 million tokens is a very low supply with 31,000 holders. And, yeah, man, I don't know why it's going down like this, but, yeah, dude, a tiny little $13 million market cap with over 31,000 holders. I find it very hard to believe that all of the holders are just selling and selling and selling and selling and selling, and nobody's actually holding right there. But volume extremely low, man. Volume is extremely low. $2.6 thousand in outflows, $2.5 thousand in inflows. Dude, if you get some decent volume with some decent buys, that token would probably rip higher. I mean, I think you're right on that, dude. I like that, Clay. I like it too, Maurice. I don't even know what I said. Black Ops 6 coming out. Holy smokes. Black Ops 6 really coming out? If you add to an existing position, how does that work with short-term, long-term capital gains? Maurice, typically, it just is 100% dependent on the position that you bought. It does not, like, average in and so on. So, like, if you bought a share of GameStop, for example, a year ago, and you bought a share of GameStop 6 months ago, the one share hits its long-term capital gain well, today, since you bought it a year ago, and the other one's going to take another 6 months before it's a long-term capital gain. So as far as I know, man, they do not average together or anything like that. It would be first in, first out, and long-term capital gain on the ones that you bought first, and then, of course, short-term capital gains on the ones that you bought later. Each purchase has its own date for long-term, short-term. There you go. Smart Layer Network reminds me of how and when I bought Pendle at 4 cents. Dang it, dude. Maybe I should buy Smart Layer then, dude. You bought Pendle at 4 cents. And didn't it go up to a couple dollars? Oh my gosh, man. Could you just imagine riding? I can't even imagine riding something from 4 cents to a couple dollars. I really can't imagine riding it from 4 cents to a couple dollars. It would be absolutely magical, man. I know when T gets back in office, everything will go up. Blade, a lot of people are expecting that, especially with his pro stance on crypto. Willing to embrace it, willing to campaign around the cryptocurrency industry, willing to keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from our Bitcoin. Yeah, so a lot of people do have very positive expectations if that happens, man. For any seasoned investor, this time is a golden opportunity. This is a dream opportunity to buy to make money when markets go down or go for an upswing. Alien Head Intelligence, you are right, man. Cryptocurrency space right now seeing a pretty bleak pullback and an overall awesome bull market. So nothing but steady gains for like the last year straight, getting rejected off of some fresh highs and some nice tops. And it's just pulling back, right? So once the confidence does begin to return a little bit, because people are so nervous about everything that they do, they only become confident when prices are rising. So those that are willing to buy the dip, those that are willing to buy when there's blood in the streets, they're the ones that are essentially going to cause the confidence. Because they're the ones that are going to drive the prices higher, and then the retail investors who are least confident begin to pile back in, and they're the ones who drive the gains for those that were willing to take the risk. Lord of Dawn says, everyone should know, while memes have made people money, they are a reason crypto isn't where it should be. If you don't understand, imagine meme stocks outperforming Apple, Tesla, Nvidia. Memes are bad. Well, Lord Don, man, I don't think that memes are bad. I really don't. Meme stocks included, and meme cryptos, meme coins, provide massive amounts of volume to these blockchains. And I get it. You can make the argument that massive amounts of volume leads to congestion. Massive amounts of volume leads to slower network. Massive amounts of volume lead to... Some people try to make the argument that massive amounts of meme coin volume lead to less investment in something like Ethereum or Solana and so on. But that's absolutely not true, because when you go buy Solana, right, you are making your deposit in the Solana liquidity pool. Then you're not putting that Solana back in the liquidity pool and trading it for a meme coin at that point. You are locking that Solana, not permanently, but you're locking that Solana out of its own liquidity pool and in the meme coins liquidity pool. So the Solana maintains its value while you hold a Solana meme coin, because you're not closing that trade out and cashing it back out for USDC. So as long as the blockchain can handle the congestion, dude, the volume that meme coins create are incredible incentives to the overall blockchain. Good morning, Clay. Sean, good morning to you, man. I think by Smart Layer Network won't take much money to get some gains. Yeah, Giovanni, you're right, man. $5,000 in volume, $47,000 in the tiny little liquidity pool. It is not going to take much at all to see some major gains. If you just saw $40,000 in inflows, dude, the market cap is going to see tens of millions of dollars in growth. So, yeah, dude, this stuff with tiny little liquidity pools like $47,000 does not need to see much at all in terms of overall inflows to see crazy price gains. Well, I guess you can't see the market cap and liquidity pool on the page. There's $47,790 in the liquidity pool. If if that was to just increase by a little bit, man, my goodness, the price would skyrocket. Zero utility, zero use case. Since we're making money, let's pretend to make a reason to use your stuff coins. Well, dude, also, Lord Don, man, don't forget, right? One of the reasons that smart contracts exist is so that you can increase volume and utility on a blockchain. And one of the utilities for Solana, Ethereum, and all of these other blockchains is the use of their smart contracts, which allow for the creation of meme coins and therefore overall volume and overall use. I get it if you don't like the speculative nature of a meme coin, but it definitely benefits the underlying blockchain. So if you want to go buy Ethereum, or if you want to go buy Solana, or if you want to go buy BNB, you are benefiting from all of the creation of the meme coins on those blockchains. So in theory, those meme coins that are created on your blockchain are probably the best thing to happen. So instead of going out there and saying that meme coins are useless and stupid and nobody should buy them because they have zero utility, they're the biggest utility case for your entire blockchain, man. So, Don, man, you can't dog on meme coins saying they have zero utility. They're literally your blockchain's largest utility. Claudia, remember I told you about Bananagun at $7 price time? Oh my god, yeah. Pen went from 4 cents over oh my gosh. Dude, it went to $7? I thought it went to 2. Holy smokes, dude. Pendle had a near 200x increase? Wow. Wow, man. Oh my god, dude. Wow, man. What a strong chart, too. Despite the recent pullback, Bananagun continues to hit near all-time highs. The heck is happening, man? Is this Bananagun? Yeah, it looks like it. Wow, man. $10 million in their liquidity pool. Holy smokes. Have a great weekend, everybody. Not dabbing. Crypto Rocketeer and Shamarie, man. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? You still got some hardships going on with Shamarie there? Is everything okay or what, man? Let's see. Bro, only thing I'm worried about is the SEC and pending lawsuits. Yeah, Blade, I think the SEC, I read some headlines this morning. I didn't read the articles, but I think the SEC is actually dropping their investigation into Ethereum. The head crypto enforcement officer at the SEC has stepped down. I think that the SEC is going to be forced to go in a direction that more welcomes cryptocurrency and embraces the growth that blockchain technology can bring our way. Ethereum is important to all altcoins, makes sense. Meme coins are in the way. You'll see. Wait until some smart, powerful influencers say the same. The sheep will be like, blah, blah, meme coins are poo. Yeah, Lord Don, I have no idea what you're saying at this point, man. I have no idea what you're saying at this point. Ethereum is important to all altcoins. No freaking kidding. You couldn't have a meme coin built unless it was built on that blockchain, right? That's what meme coins are. They're built on the blockchain of another cryptocurrency. So yes, Ethereum, Solana, I don't care, Kronos, I don't care what meme coin, Base Network, I don't care what meme coins you're talking about. Yes, the underlying blockchain is theoretically more important because those meme coins wouldn't exist, but your blockchain wouldn't have any volume, dude, if you didn't have meme coin traders out there trading billions of dollars a day in meme coins. So I don't know. Dude, you probably heard somebody say that somewhere along the way, and now they're your god or something, and that's all you can repeat. It's what it seems like to me. You forget. I know how to pick them. I just don't hold them long enough. No, Giovanni, I don't forget, man. You definitely know how to pick them, because it's not like, you know, you're mentioning some of these to us, and then some do well and some don't do well. All of these seem to be doing extremely well that you have brought to our attention, man. So Bananagun ripping. You've got Pendle, $7 stinking dollars from 4 cents. But I still think he killed it, man. 4 cents to 80 cents. 4 cents to 80 cents on Pendle was phenomenal. You could have just 10x the money a little further, taking it from 80 cents to $7 there. Still in the hospital with 3 weeks, no vision. Dang, dude. No vision at all, man. And the doctors don't know why, or they do know why, and they are helping her. Because that's a huge difference, man. If the doctors are like, well, we're confused as to why Shawn-Marie doesn't have any vision, and 3 weeks in the hospital is just absolutely insane. But what are the doctors saying about it, man? Are they confident, or are they confused? Hey, bro, it's Honorarium still alive. Let's take a look at Honorarium, man. HRM. Where are we at in Honorarium here? It's been out for 6 months now. All right. 6 months does seem to be... Ooh, 6 months, but only 1.2 cents in volume today. I don't even know how that is possible, but somebody keeping Honorarium alive. 0399 and 3959 keeping Honorarium alive here. Wow, yesterday, I don't even know what this trade would be. They traded 5 zeros and a 25 Honorarium. It's wildly low. But yeah, somebody traded 1.27 cents today on Honorarium. 326 holders. I am one of them. 1.27 cents in volume. It's very, very low volume, man. We might have a zombie on our hands in Honorarium because it does have 0 volume. Now, I say zombie, too, because I've seen so many of these coins resurrect that you literally can't kill a coin. There's no such thing as a dead coin. But, yeah, dude, this is a zombie at the moment trying its best to survive with 1 cent in volume. But, dude, at any given point in time, a tiny little $18,000 liquidity pool, $112,000 market cap. At any given time, it won't take much to send this bad boy absolutely soaring. Think about it. It had this crazy candle on $30,000 in volume. This entire candle right here caused by $30,000 in volume. So, yeah, you could see a resurrection of Honorarium very, very quickly if we got some attention on it. But right now, dude, 1 cent in volume is pretty low. Let's see. Waiting for a schedule with the ophthalmologist. Well, hopefully Crypto Rocketeer, everything. Hopefully they come back confident, man. Hopefully they come back confident. Not everybody has the answers, but you do need some confidence in a situation like that. Put 2,000 a Pendle at 4 cents and rode it all the way to 80 cents. I like it, Giovanni. I like it. No, sir, I've come to this conclusion myself. Just like I said, Elon Musk is terrible for crypto. No offense to you. You'll see in a while. No hard feelings, even though you threw a jab. It's cool, bro. Well, no. Lord Don, man. I get it. Like, I completely get it. That the underlying blockchain has much more utility. And I get it. The Memecoins are speculative in nature. But it's absolutely wild to say that they have 0 utility. Dude, if Memecoins didn't exist and intrigue the retail investor, I'll be honest with you, cryptocurrency probably would have died out already. I'll say it. Cryptocurrency probably would have died out already if there were no Memecoins. If there were no turn your $0 into millions of dollars opportunities, retail investors, it would be no different than retail investors, wanting to flock to a mutual fund that offers them 1.5% annualized interest. Nobody gets excited about that. Retail investors, that's not where it's at. Institutional money, sure, they're here for the long term. But you need the meme coins, man. You need the ridiculous gains. You need the ridiculous losses. You need the opportunity. Much more than you need 500-600 different blockchains. If it wasn't about creation, and it wasn't about volume, and it wasn't about the ability to generate these smart contracts, we would only need Bitcoin. Right? That's it. You've got one digital currency. What's the need for Ethereum? What's the need for Solana? There wouldn't be one, right? Altcoins in general are essentially a plague to Bitcoin, following your own logic. You don't need Ethereum. You don't need Solana. You don't need Cardano. You don't need any of these other players. Only Bitcoin. So I can see it from like a Bitcoin maxi viewpoint. There's only one blockchain. It's the only one that matters. Makes sense now. Let's see. So I'm going to hold SLN for a long while. I have to trust the process. Giovanni, if you believe in it, man, hold it. Trust the process. Let it happen. Set it in a wallet. Forget it, dude. Bust your phone. Bust your phone so you can't even look at it. Forget SLN is the ticker. Don't even know that it exists. Don't ask about it anymore on here so you don't see the price until 2 years from now when you're sitting on like $6 million in SLN. Let's see. Honorarium to Puto. Nouveau to Puto. Yes, man. Clicking to buy Celestia at $6. So Celestia is 17. Is it already back down? Is it down to $6? Wow. $6 is not too bad, man. Gosh, that's a tough decline, though, here, man. Celestia's been coming down since February. That is a tough one, man. Well, it does have a little support in this area from back here. But, dude, I don't want to buy nothing that has been declining for 6 months straight. So, I'm not going to buy it just because it's at $6. But, yeah, dude, $6 is not a bad price. $6 is not a bad price on Celestia. I just don't want to buy it since it's been coming down for 6 months straight. I'd rather buy it as it starts to curl back up and move higher there. Dude, somebody go and buy Honorarium. Give it more than 1 cent in volume. Give it 2 cents in volume. Bought Celestia $2, sold at $17. Bought Celestia when it first came out because of the amount of the... Yeah, Giovanni, definitely. I remember you doing that as well. You've killed a lot of trades, man. To your comment, yes, memes brought in the volume. Large volumes of sheep and hopium. I should have bet a house in BNB, but it was a chicken. Yeah, dude. No kidding. I should have done the same thing on Bitcoin. And don't worry. Don't worry. Lord Don, you'll say the same thing about a meme coin when it goes to a multi-billion-dollar valuation as well. Should have bet the house on that one too. Oops, my bad. Clay, look at Willie Bum Bum coin. Does Willie Bum Bum exist? Buy Celestia $5. Buy Celestia after it hits a bottom. Buy Celestia after it finds a bottom. I can't buy Celestia while it's coming down for 6 months straight though. Does this one exist? Oh my god, it does. Oh my goodness. Alright, what do we got? Willie Bum Bum coin here. Dang, man. I don't know where these spikes come from, man. I don't know where these spikes come from. But Willie Bum Bum going from 5 zeros and a 9 to 3 zeros and an 18. What is that, man? A 10... Well, that's a 200x gain? Wow, no. No, that's a 20x gain. 20x gain. 20x gain. Okay. Holy smokes. 20x gain is still a very, very nice gain, though. It is coming back down, and hopefully, if you are buying it, hopefully it does hit support right here in this 4 zeros and a 3 area, where it was resistance, 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 resistance. Hopefully it's support, support, support. And hopefully this does hold up here. But dang, man, that was a very nice rally on some ridiculous volume surge. See, this is why you can't say a coin is dead, man. Doing $9,000 in volume, $2,800 in volume, $400, $4,000, $27,000. Boom. $1.5 million in volume. Where the heck did that volume come from? And you know what? After watching it here, people would have been like, oh, yeah, it rugged. It's over. It's done. Goes up for a couple days, comes back down, and then just rips up, dude, on $1.5 million in volume. You thought the $21,000 in volume was excellent. But Moji must have gone in, bought $1.5 million worth, and saw some very nice gains there. Let's see. How much Shiba do you have? Bobs, I got enough Shiba that I feel very confident during the next bull market rally. Had Doge at 0005. Sold it when it came to Robinhood. Already been there. I'm not trying to fight you, man. Just sprinkling a little logic. Peace to you, broski. Absolutely. Lord Don, you as well. But it's not like sprinkling a little logic, right? The logic, yes, it makes sense. But you can't say yours is the only logical view. Meme coins need blockchains, yes, but blockchains need meme coins as well. So if you're not willing to admit that, I don't know what to tell you. Transact is slow lately. Everything is slow right now. Don't spikes happen when listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, a pre-sale launch? Yeah, Giovanni. I don't know if that got listed anywhere, though, or not, but that would have been a pretty big listing, I think, with a $1.5 million spike in volume. $1.5 million has to come from somewhere. I don't think $1.5 million would be a CoinMarketCap listing, but I'm unsure. That just seems like it would be a lot of money for me to believe came from CoinMarketCap during a time when everything is like moving lower. We've been seeing a month full of declines lately. Can't have one without the other. Agreed. Absolutely. Glad that we agree. Lord Don, see how it works when you work it out, man. See how it took a half hour, dude, but see how it works when you work it out. FCMC. What does FCMC mean? Okay, gotcha. Okay, you got a blip of volume. Do we really? Let's see what he's talking about here. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Honorarium, man. Shooting up with $52 in volume. Very, very nice, man. That sounds a lot better, darn it, than 2 cents. Oh my gosh, 1.2 cents going to $50. I love it, man. I love it. That's what I'm talking about. Can't freaking beat it. Now we're rolling, baby. Now we're look at Nufo. Nufo says, "Holy smokes, it's time to moon, baby. It is time to moon." Yes. Who would not have been there? Had over 100 million Doge. Friends convinced me to sell. Sold at 002. Would have gotten $1 million per cent. Oh. Dude, $72 million is too much money, Giovanni. What the crap would you want $72 million for? Dude, could you imagine riding it up to $72 million and then losing $60 million, riding it back down to where it's at right now? No. Your story's better, man. Your story's better. You never had to deal with the loss of $60 million. Having held it all the way back down from 72 cents to 12 cents. At least you don't have to stomach the loss of $60 million. Like FAA, they stole 5K from Honorarium. Gotcha. FCMC. Oh, CoinMarketCap. Now I understand. Moji. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. We got more videos on the horizon. Please, make sure to watch those videos. Appreciate every single one of you guys for clicking the subscribe button, being in here, having a great time, even though the market is pulling back. Keeping the conversation going, keeping it awesome. And even you, Lord Don, appreciate you for being in here, man, and having an awesome conversation. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back a little bit later. Moji, man, have a great one. Giovanni, see you later. Howie Neal, enjoy it. Base Summer didn't call. I don't think I commented on Base Summer, did I? Moji, see you later. Bobs, have a great one. Lord Don, see you later. J-Bones, baby, see you later. Giovanni, Panda, Lord Don, Moji, J-Bones, baby, Giovanni, Panda, Nuvo, Puto. We got Panda, Moji, Bobs, Lord Don, Giovanni, Howie, Alien Blade, Will Major, Ryan, Lord Don, J-Bones, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.